Good morning, dear students. As you know very well that your class 12 session will be starting soon. So since it is not possible for me to take class of all the sections offline class, so I have decided that I'll try to help you via videos. I may be taking Zoom classes, Google Meet classes, or I might be recording my class lectures, or I might be recording certain videos and send those videos to you. Let me see how I'll do it, but I'll try to help you in whatever way I can. So, today, let us introduce ourselves to class 12th books. You have these two books, okay, this year, these two books this year. One is Flamingo and other is Vistas. So today what I am thinking is, let me tell you about a technique through which you can improve your learning without any confusion. Okay, so there is a word which is reflex memory or memory reflex. So first let us see. Here are names of, oh, it's not looking, it's no mirror image. Okay, so okay, no problems. So I'll tell you what is reflex memory or memory reflex. Whenever we keep saying two things one after the other for many for a lot many years or for a long time, so what happens, whenever one thing we say, the next thing comes to our mind automatically, okay, successively. So through this method we can learn names of all the chapters and authors without any confusion. For example, you have certain poems. So since it is a mirror image, so let me speak for you. For example, you have a poem named My Mother at 66 and the author is Kamla Das. So if it is only one poem or one chapter, obviously you'll be able to remember the name. But when you'll have to remember all the chapters, all the authors all together, so to avoid confusion, this method you can use. So listen to me carefully. I'll be reading names of poems and authors both. My Mother at 66, Kamla Das. Kamla Das, My Mother at 66. Keeping Quiet, Pablo Neruda. Pablo Neruda, Keeping Quiet. A Thing of Beauty, John Keats. John Keats, A Thing of Beauty. So you have seen what I have done. I am taking name of the poem and name of the poet, then again name of the poet and name of the poem. So this technique is called reflex memory or memory reflex, through which whenever you will be taking one name of one thing, the other thing will automatically reflect into your memory, and through this you'll be able to avoid confusion or you'll be able to avoid forgetting things. This technique can be used in other subjects as well, in other topics as well. So try to use this technique in any of the subjects and topics and let me know where have you used this technique. So that is all for today. Very soon we'll be starting our chapters and I'll notify you and you'll be able to take advantage and benefit of my teaching. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.